Introduction and Overview. The Sony A7V, set to redefine hybrid imaging on October 16, 2025, marks a significant turning point in the camera world. This highly anticipated launch is not only an upgrade, but also represents a new era of advanced technology for professional photographers and filmmakers alike. The A7V features a redesigned 33MP BSI full-frame sensor that delivers unparalleled performance with up to 15 frames per second burst shooting, showcasing Sony's cutting-edge BIONZ XR processor. This camera is packed with groundbreaking AI-powered autofocus capable of tracking humans, animals, vehicles, and even insects with an unmatched level of accuracy. The advanced system utilizes a 4K 60p full sensor readout, which delivers cinematic detail and stunning S-Cinetone color profiles straight out of the camera. With its 8-stop in-body image stabilization, weather-protected magnesium alloy frame, and ergonomic design for both photographers and filmmakers, the A7V is ready to handle any creative challenge. One of the standout features of the Sony A7V. Stay tuned until the end. I will reveal the expected release window and price range together. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do and tap the bell for more honest breakdowns. Let us talk about build and design. The device features a newly developed 33MP BSI full-frame sensor, which delivers unparalleled image quality and performance. This advanced sensor utilizes the company's proprietary BIONZ XR processor to provide lightning-fast processing speed, enabling photographers and filmmakers to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Now about the camera's front and back. The Sony A7V's innovative design features a redesigned 33MP BSI full-frame sensor, powered by the advanced BIONZ XR processor. This sensor delivers lightning-fast performance, with up to 15 frames per second burst shooting and an unparalleled level of detail in both stills and videos. The A7V also boasts incredible AI-powered autofocus capabilities that can track humans, animals, vehicles, and even insects with unmatched accuracy, providing a truly immersive experience for photographers and filmmakers alike. The camera also supports Wi-Fi 6. LiDAR and Friends, the sensor suite. The Sony A7V's sensor suite includes a revolutionary LiDAR sensor, enabling advanced imaging and object recognition in real time. The LiDAR system uses light scanning technology to create detailed 3D maps of the scene around the camera, providing accurate depth information for both photos and videos. This feature allows photographers and videographers to capture high-resolution images with incredible detail, even in challenging lighting conditions or environments where traditional sensors might struggle. How the gimbal keeps shots smooth. The Sony A7V's advanced gimbal system, known as SteadyShot 3.0, is designed to keep shots smooth and stable throughout the shooting process. The camera employs a unique mechanism that allows it to independently track movement in 3 axes: tilt, plus or minus 12 degrees, roll, plus or minus 95 degrees, and yaw, plus or minus 45 degrees. This stabilization system utilizes Sony's proprietary algorithms to predict the user's intended movements, ensuring accurate tracking of subjects or objects within a scene. The gimbal system in the Sony video pipeline at a glance. The Sony A7V's video pipeline offers a wide range of cinematic and professional features, ensuring smooth, accurate shooting for both stills and videos. HDR log color profiles provide deeper blacks and brighter whites, enabling stunning details in landscapes, portraits, and action scenes. The camera supports up to 4K 60p full sensor readout, with an impressive frame rate of 15 frames per second, delivering cinematic clarity and a smooth playback experience for high-speed photography. Follow lock and predict AI tools. The Sony A7V's advanced AI-powered autofocus system, known as Lock and Predict, revolutionizes the way photographers capture dynamic scenes. With this feature, users can focus on a specific subject while automatically tracking it using machine learning algorithms that analyze real-time motion data from the camera sensor. The algorithm learns to recognize patterns in the image that indicate movement or activity, such as people walking, horses running, and wildlife moving, and adjusts its focusing accordingly. How much detail you get? The Sony A7V's impressive camera specifications and advanced features set it apart from its competitors. A new BSI full-frame sensor delivers a 33 MP resolution, providing exceptional detail in low-light situations. This high-resolution pixel count translates to stunning images with accurate sensor reproduction and detailed textures, making the A7V capable of capturing breathtaking stills that rival those produced by higher-end cameras. This advanced accessories combos and add-ons. The Sony A7V is a highly anticipated camera that marks the beginning of an era in hybrid imaging. The official launch on October 16, 2025, will set it apart from its predecessors with a brand new design and advanced features. A 33 MP BSI full-frame sensor delivers unparalleled performance, capable of capturing stunning images at speeds up to 15 frames per second in burst shooting mode. The camera is equipped with several accessories that complement the core features of the A7V. RAM options and storage choices. The Sony A7V's RAM options and storage choices are essential for photographers and filmmakers who demand high performance from their camera. With a maximum of 16 gigabytes of internal memory, the A7V offers ample space to store all your favorite photos, videos, or RAW files while also supporting fast loading times during playback. For those seeking even more capacity, there's an available SD card slot with up to 2 terabytes of storage that allows you to expand the camera's memory without sacrificing image quality. Launch window and availability. Sony A7V officially launches on October 16, 2025, marking the beginning of a new era in hybrid imaging. The camera is built around a redesigned 33 MP BSI full-frame sensor and powered by Sony's advanced BIONZ XR processor, delivering blazing fast performance, up to 15 frames per second burst shooting, and groundbreaking AI-optimized autofocus capable of tracking humans, animals, vehicles, and even insects with unparalleled accuracy. How much will it cost? The Sony A7V will cost around $2,999 when it officially launches on October 16, 2025. This is a mid-tier camera option that offers near-flagship performance in terms of image quality and speed compared to the A7 IV and A7RV. The Sony A7V is a highly anticipated camera release that marks the beginning of a new era in hybrid imaging. With its powerful BIONZ XR processor and redesigned 33 MP full-frame sensor, the A7V delivers exceptional performance with blazing fast burst shooting capabilities up to 15 frames per second. Its AI-optimized autofocus system tracks humans, animals, vehicles, and even insects with unparalleled accuracy, making it a versatile tool for both professional photographers and filmmakers alike. The camera features advanced 4K video recording at up to 60p full resolution, as well as the ability to capture cinematic detail with S-Cinetone color profiles directly from the camera. The A7V's magnesium alloy frame is weather-protected, ensuring durability in any environment, while its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and use for extended periods of time. One key advantage of the Sony A7V is its 8-stop in-body image stabilization system, which provides exceptional stability during handheld shooting. The camera also features a dedicated Wi-Fi 6 connectivity option that allows users to connect directly to their. If this breakdown helped, please subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.